So let me try to show you. I'm trying to change my output device and I'm either unable to, or if I click, nothing happens. Okay, so I'm trying to change my default output device, and by going through that applet, nothing happens. And other people are experiencing this, and I am in Cinnamon, but Fedora and Cinnamon, but many Linux users experience this issue too. So without zooming in, I go here. I want to change my output device, and in this case, it's stuck on the HDMI display. I want to put it to line out, and I'm completely unable to, and this just gets stuck. Reboot doesn't work. Log out, login does not work, and closing all applications obviously does not work. I have no application using audio at this point, and I am unable to change the default one. So how do you fix this when this happens, either in any Linux? Well, you go to the old faithful, you open your terminal, all right, and use this command Pavucontrol. So this is kind of the master audio control for your audio. You open it, and right now I can listen my audio in a screen, which is that's not what I want. I really don't want the audio to come out from the screen. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. In this case, I don't. You could, go to the playback here. Nothing obvious. Shows recording. Nothing. I don't want to change the recording. I want the output. And as you can see, I can actually change stuff. In playback, if for example, if I have a Firefox open, you see Firefox here. Well, I can open it up right now. I don't think Firefox will play anything, but let's see if it pops here. I can force it to play something, so it's not showing nothing yet. But I can, for example, go to Twitch or something of that kind. I can open the friends, what is called stream, or I open Shroud stream, whatever, something to generate some audio, and I'm listening. Okay, I'm listening it through my headphones, but the system sounds are coming through the monitor. That's not what I want. So when things are playing, hopefully you are not listening it yet. You're not. You can just change here for the specific output. So Firefox itself, it's coming out through my headphones. That's what I want, but system sounds are just not. So how can you fix this? It's quite easy, even though it's not too obvious. You go to output devices, okay, and you see your possible output devices. In this case, I want this one, and you have here the set as default, and you click it. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it has some colors. In this case, it has no color to show that it's obviously the default output. So if you click it, you'll see that it kind of gets, let me see if I can zoom in, it gets depressed. So right now it's just not depressed. If you click it, it gets depressed. Not depressed in that sense, but you know what I mean. So if I go back here, output device, you see nothing, but it's the line out. The chosen one is line out. If I click HDMI, now I'm screwed. I cannot go back. And you can see this is just screwed up. So I click there. It's okay now. Output device. I click line out. If you see the button, it gets depressed, or it just gets screwed. So if you want to change the default output, just go here, click on that check mark. It gets pressed. It's now darker in a way, so it's showing that is set as default. Now we are good to go, and all the audio. Let me check. And all the audio now, it's coming out from our headphones, system audio, or any other audio. So if you really cannot change the output device through the applet, just use PAVU control. Doesn't really matter what this means. It's just not necessary for you to fix the issue. You just open this, and you just go to the output devices, and you press this. Make sure this is pressed. It's darker. It shows it as pressed. Sometimes it has a green check mark in some situations. That makes it a little bit obvious. If you don't see the check mark, just make sure it's pressed. It's depressed. And now all your system audios is coming out from your selected output. In this case, the line out. That's what I wanted. And from now on, I just ignore this applet here, and things should be a-okay, and ready to go. So this is a quick tutorial, so you guys can now my stream deck, it's back, blah blah blah. Come on, give me back my controls. And okay, so this is a quick tutorial, so you can change your output device in a more powerful and more capable tool. So if your desktop applet is not working for you, just open PAV. I keep forgetting the name of the thing. It's PAVU control. Doesn't really matter what this means. This tool will allow you to choose your output devices, to find volumes, the volume levels, etc. But mainly choose your default output device. Click on the check mark, and then your default output device should be A-OK and chosen and should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, if you need any assistance on this. This should work in any Linux. In my case specifically, I have shown you on Fedora 44 and Cinnamon, but this should work. Pavucontrol, it's kind of available in many Linuxes. So hope this helps you. I'm going to shut up and let you fix your issue. Let me know if it helped you out. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. I'll see you next one.